Okay guys, let's install this sway bar over here. This is for the people that don't know yet how to do it. Neither do I. I haven't watched anything, so it's an experiment for me too. So let's see what's all in the package here. Of course, sway bar. These tires, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. How does it sit over here? It has to sit on here. And then I guess these things go in here. So I think it's a fairly easy install. Whoops. Need these put in the brackets over there. You have to push these in there. So like that, one in there and one in there. So they say that it drives a lot better with the sway bar. So yeah, I'm still a rookie. So, and these things, this, where is this going? I don't know yet. This has to go on here. I think this one goes on here. This one goes on back over here like this. And this one sits in the middle, I guess. Like that. Yeah, I think it's like that. This goes over here. This you have to put in those little tiny grub screws that I saw in the package. These ones. Oh, there are more than one. These has to go in here. 4 of them, like that. That's the way how I do it all the time. And normal, they don't come with instructions, these things, so you have to figure it out, or you go on the internet and search for it like you're doing it now. But I haven't searched for it, so for me it's completely new. Where do we have to put this? One has to go on this. It's tight fit, so we're going to take the, guys, buy this. This is very easy to put these balls in. Then look, like that, they're in there. See? So this is a tool. It's very cheap. I'll put a link in the description. It's very cheap. It comes from AliExpress. Everything comes from AliExpress, and you can work with your shocks and of course with these balls like that. You can also take them out with this thing here. So that's that, and we have to mount it over here. Those are the 4 screws for that one. So yeah, the wheels aren't tight, so I'm going to put that one in there and take my trusty thing here that I'm still experimenting with, and I like it a lot. Also AliExpress. That's that one. Oh, I forgot something. I'm gonna take the wheels off. That's a little bit easier. They're almost off anyway. Take the grub screw. It's a 1.5er, and you do some Loctite on these things when you put them in there. I'm going to put everything on there, then try to get this I don't want to mess up my wheelie bar now, so I'm going to turn this on the other side so I can get it over here and then turn it on. You know what I mean? That's also the same, so we're going to put some Loctite on there. I put it a little tight, not much, but a little. So we're going to center it over here. See, it still wiggles. And then turn it upside down like this, so I can manage to get it over here like that. Put the other screws in there too, the other grub screws. It's a fairly easy install if you look at it. And I've read that the performance is going better now. So I have run in this setup with other wheels, with the stock wheels. I have run 295 ET. I know that's slow for some people, but it's still, everything is stock except for the pinion. And yeah, I think that's rather good. If there are people that have tricks or something like this to get it faster and not changing everything, because I don't want to make I don't want to spend a lot of $1,000 on this thing, but I want to make it faster and with the stock setup, and then afterwards maybe I'm going to change the power plant here. I don't know yet, but we'll see. So that's that. Now we have to put this one over here. This is the wrong one. We need this one, 1.5. I need my glasses. Right. I need glasses to find my glasses. Got them. Again, the wrong one. Looks good. Almost done. It's an easy install, fairly easy install, almost done. Tighten the screws here and yeah, you're finished. And these here have to go in there. Have to set this screw a little tighter. With these little tiny things here, these grub screws, you put them in the plastic thing here and you turn that on, but don't over tighten it, just make it tight. You're going to strip out the plastic otherwise. So, and yeah, it's done. So that was it, easy peasy. See you on the next one.